In this video, we're talking about factoring trinomials by noticing they are perfect square trinomials. First of all, I give you two formulas here. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared equal a plus b squared, and a squared minus 2ab plus b squared equal a minus b squared. So let's work on the first problem here. The first problem A is x squared plus 2x plus 1. We need to factor this trinomial, right? So we notice this one look like very similar like the first formula above, right? So what are we going to do is we try to write out like this, x squared, right? And then plus 2ab. Consider x as an a above, right? 2 times a times b, right? A is x, so that we put x right here, right? And then b is 1, right? You see, 2 times x times 1 equal to x above, right? We just rewrite like this, right? And then plus b squared, which is 1 squared, equal to a plus b squared, which means x plus 1 square. Very simple and very fast, right? And this is the final answer for the first question. Let me give you another example. B, x squared minus 2x plus 1. We put x squared down minus 2 times x times 1. The reason why I write like this because the second problem is look very similar to the formula above. So we need to write down 2 times x times 1 to get into the form like minus 2ab right here, right? And then we notice a in this case is x, and then b is 1 plus 1 square. 1 square equal 1 right here, right? We just rewrite it like this. And is equal x minus 1 square, because we use the second formula above, right? And this is the final answer for the second question. Let's work on another problem here. C, 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. We need to factor this out. We see the problem here is very similar to the equation a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equal a plus b, all of them square, right? So we can rewrite the expression as 2x squared, because 2 square is 4, and then x square is x square. The term inside here is a, right? Plus 2ab. We need to write out 2 times a times b, right? 2 times a. This one is a. We put it right here. And times b. What is b? In order to know b, we need to know what number multiplied by 2 equal 20, or what number multiplied by 4 equal 20. It is 5, because 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 5 equal 20, right? B is 5, so we got b squared is 5 squared, and it is 25. We rewrite it right here, right? And the result is 2x plus 5 squared. And this is the final answer for question C. Let's look at another example here. D 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. We need to factor this out. We see this expression is very similar to the form a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, right? So what are we going to do is we try to rewrite, 4x squared equal to 2x, all of them square, right? Subtract, and then 2x right here is a, right? Subtract 2ab, 2 times a, we put this one right here, 2 times a, right? 2x is a. And b, we need to know how to find b. You see, 12 divided by 4 is 3, because you see 2 times 2 is 4 already. 4 times 3 is 12, right? Plus b squared. B squared is 3 squared, which is 9 right here, right? And then it equal to 2x minus 3 square, because you see this is a square. Subtract 2 times a times b plus b square, and it have to be equal 2x is a, right? Subtract b right here is 3, all of them square. And this is the final answer for question D.